Hi, thank you for choosing Covenant Security for your alarm needs. We can't wait for you to experience our 5-star service. Here's how you can help speed up the process on installation day. Please decide on your preferred 4-digit user codes for arming and disarming the panel, as well as the 2 numbers you want called in case of an emergency and a verbal passcode to authorize dispatch. If you have specific preferred device names, please give those to the office for pre-programming. While on site, the techs will help you set up your Alarm.com app. This includes mobile notifications, arming reminders, and setting up rules or schedules. We look forward to meeting you. Don't forget to ask us about the automation features and packages compatible with your new panel. Finally, if you're satisfied with our services, please tell all of our future customers by leaving us a Google review. We truly appreciate your business.